guys! Welcome back again to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Thank you so much guys, of course, for your unending support for my channel, for subscribing, and of course for watching my videos. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to support. And in this video guys, I will show you how I make a shabu-shabu or hot pot, and of course the barbecue. So now I will show you the ingredients. So for the barbecue guys, we have sliced beef, marinated in salt, pepper, paprika, and of course you can see the fresh rosemary. And we have the large tiger prawns, and we have also the bacon. And for the tiger prawns, I'm gonna use unsalted butter with pepper. And of course the bacon has already the taste, so I don't need anything. And of course also for the beef. And for the hot pot, we have here the bean sprouts, or the toge in Tagalog. And we have cabbage. And we have here squid balls, chicken balls, and fish balls, and of course the kikiam. And I'm gonna use this guys, the Korean noodles. And then let's see how it goes. So let's start guys in grilling. Let's put some butter. If you see guys, the tiger prawns, I cut it on top. I'll show you. You see here, there is the cut. So then the taste can go inside. And now also the water is boiling, so let's start the hot pot. So first, let's put the squid balls and the kikiam, the chicken balls, and the fish balls. Let's wait for a bit, and then we can put the seasoning. Now let's put the seasoning. Now the cabbage. So now let's cover a bit and let's boil for a while, and then we can put the bean sprouts and the noodles. So now let's put the bean sprouts. Wow, looks very yummy. Now let's put the noodles. I will just put guys half of the noodles because it's too much. And now let's cook for 3 minutes, and then it's done. Alright guys, it's getting done. You see, the tiger prawns are getting red already. Also the bacons are getting brown as well. Also the beef are slowly getting cooked. And the noodles as well, it's now it's done. You see, this is our hot pot. Wow. Here it is guys, our barbecue and the hot pot, all homemade. I mean, it's done in the house, you know. I didn't buy anything ready to prepare. And hope you like guys, and hope you can try as well in your home. Alright guys, so it's done, our barbecue and of course the hot pot. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to give a like, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!